Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Parekh from Leal Public School and today's topic is from English grammar and the topic is adjectives. Adjectives are basically describing words. Adjectives are also known as describing verbs. They are also known as describing words. Okay, describing words. Why? Because they give us more information about nouns and pronouns. Okay, adjectives are describing words which are give us more information about nouns and pronouns. Okay, adjectives are generally placed before the noun. Okay, for example, a beautiful flower. So the noun here is flower. This is the noun. And the word which is giving us more information about it or which is describing this is beautiful. So this is our adjective. So the position of our adjective is generally before the noun it describes. Okay? Sometimes it is followed after the noun. Sometimes it is also given after the noun. Supposingly, the hat is small. Now the noun which we are describing here is hat and it is small in size. The quality which we are telling about it or the information we are giving about it is that it is small. So this is also a position of the adjective that it is also placed after the noun it is describing. Okay. Other than that, it is also followed after verbs such as seem, get, appear, feel, sound, smell, etc., which tells us more about the noun rather than the verb. Supposingly, the shirt seems clean. Now, the shirt seems clean. Seem is the verb, but the word clean is telling us more information about the noun, but it is placed after the verb. So these are also adjectives. I hope what is adjectives is clear to all of you and nobody has a doubt with that what adjectives are basically. Adjectives are describing words which give us more information about the noun or the pronoun. It can be noun also and it can be pronoun also. Calling it only noun will not create much problem because pronouns are basically are words which are used in place of nouns only. Also remember, adjectives are one of the 8 parts of speeches. There are 8 parts of speeches which we have studied about. Adjective is one out of them. Okay. Next we'll see kinds of adjectives. They might be quite similar, but do not get confused. You might find them quite similar, but do not get confused, okay? Adjectives are descriptive, demonstrative, qualitative, interrogative, and possessive. These are the types of adjectives. Descriptive, demonstrative, qualitative, interrogative, and possessive. Okay. Descriptive adjectives are those which tell us about the color, shape, size, nationality, gender, or these kind of things. Big, small, Indian, American, circular, spherical, ठीक है, rich, poor, beautiful, ugly. ये सारी चीजें जो हमें बताते हैं, that is descriptives. ठीक है, these are descriptives which tell us about everything about that particular thing, that it's big in size, small in size, its color, its shape, its texture, its nationality, its qualities, good or bad, whatever it is. तो ये सारी चीजें जो information हमको देते हैं, that is descriptive. Demonstrative are only four: this, that, these, and those. ये चार जो है बस यही आते हैं डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव के अंदर, दिस, दैट, दीज एंड दोज, व्हेन विच वी नीड टू पॉइंट समथिंग. ठीक है, विच वी नीड टू पॉइंट समथिंग. Then for qualitative we have which tells us the amount, sorry, it's not qualitative, it's quantitative. It's quantitative, not qualitative. Those which tell us the amount or number of the noun or pronoun, whichever it is talking, जो उसके amount के बारे में बताएगा या number. Amount is little, more, many, much, less, few. ये हो जाता है आपका amount. And number is 2, 5, 10, 100, 1000, crore. ये सारी चीजें क्या हो जाएगी? Number. Interrogative is those WH words. Who, whom, which. ये सारी चीजें किसमें आ जाती है? Interrogative. And then the last one is possessive adjectives, which are my, your, which your possession. जो किसी भी चीज के ऊपर हमारा जो राइट है उसको डिस्क्राइब करता है. एनीथिंग विच डिस्क्राइब्स आवर राइट ओवर समथिंग इज possessive. My, your, mine, his, their, ये सारे जो है they come in possessive adjectives. So I hope this point is clear till here. Adjectives are those words which describe noun or pronoun. Those words which describe noun or pronoun. Other than that, they are placed before, after the noun they qualify or they describe, or sometimes after verbs. If the verb generally seems, appears, looks, these type of verbs will take adjectives after them. Okay, then there are 5 types of adjectives. Descriptive, those tell us about the size, shape, color, all these things of a noun or a pronoun. Then we have demonstrative, those which point out the exactly that noun which the adjective is talking about. Quantitative is amount or number. These can also be called as adjectives of quantity. जरूरी नहीं है हमेशा it will be called as quantitative adjective. These can also be called as adjectives of quantity. ठीक है? And then we have interrogative. WH words, whenever there's a WH word which is accompanied with a noun or a pronoun, ठीक है? And which are used to ask questions. Supposingly, if I'm saying what, so it will always have to be what color is your pen. These kind of questions. Possessive, which show your power or your right over something. When you're showing your right over something, that is possessive. Possessive adjectives. My, your, his, her, it, ours, theirs, etc. These are which come in this. Okay. The next thing which we need to see is the formation of adjectives, how adjectives are formed. ठीक है, तो first we'll see that adjectives are first derived from nouns, verbs or other adjectives. I have taken 3 examples of each. Noun का जो example है वो आप ले सकते हो blue, which is a color. तो bluish, अगर आप bluish जो है वो एक ले रहे हो, bluish is a word which means of blue color. Bluish का मतलब होता है of blue color. So this is an adjective which has been derived from this noun which is blue. Okay. Then we have a verb called talk, बात करना. This is a verb, सबको पता है. Then talkative is an adjective which has been derived from this word talk, which means जो बहुत बात करता है. Beauty is an adjective. ठीक है, और beauty से हमने क्या बना दिया? Beautiful. So we can make adjectives from noun, verb and other adjectives also. There are some adjectives which are independent. Poor, high, beauty itself. ठीक है, ये सारे जो है ये अपने आप में adjectives है जो independently बने हुए. You do not need any noun, verb or adjective to make them. ठीक है, these are those. Then there are some which are made by adding suffix to the noun. When you add a suffix to a noun, you make it an adjective. Supposingly, suffix to noun. For example, wealth becomes wealthy. ठीक है? More example which we can take is secondary. ठीक है, different kind of suffix it will take. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक ही suffix लेगा ये हमेशा. It will take different kind of suffix, but it will add a suffix to the noun and it will make it into a adjective. Okay. Then which we have the words which are ending with ing if they are added before nouns at times. जैसे participles जो है, the not the original form of the verb when you have put ing into it or ed to it and they become noun. Supposingly, sleep is the noun. We have added ing to it, making it sleeping, which becomes a participle, and sleeping के आगे हमने लगा दिया गर्ल. तो गर्ल की जो इंफॉर्मेशन है वो हमें क्या बता रही है? स्लीपिंग बता रही है. द स्लीपिंग गर्ल, या अगर हम प्रॉपर वही वर्ड लेते हैं, स्लीपिंग ब्यूटी. ठीक है, तो स्लीपिंग बिकम्स एडजेक्टिव. सिमिलरली वी कैन टेक अ बेक्ड केक, croissants, इस टाइप की कोई भी चीज हम लेके, when we have taken a verb, made it into a participle by adding ing or ed and we have placed it before a noun to describe it, उसको और समझाने के लिए, डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए अगर हमने उसको नाउन के पहले रख दिया है तो वो क्या बन जाता है? हमारा एडजेक्टिव. एंड लास्ट, sometimes nouns can themselves be used as, sometimes nouns can also be used as adjectives. One very simple example I'm going to take so that you understand it. बुक क्या है? नाउन. ठीक है, अ बुक इज अ नाउन. अब नाउन के आगे हमको दूसरा नाउन लगाना है so that this becomes a noun and that becomes an adjective. For example, let's take grammar. What is grammar? A subject. What is book? An object. ग्रामर एक सब्जेक्ट है, इंग्लिश ग्रामर, हिंदी ग्रामर, संस्कृत ग्रामर, और बुक क्या है? एक समान है. तो ये भी नाउन है और ये भी नाउन है. लेकिन अगर हम इस ग्रामर को बुक के आगे लगा देते हैं या बुक के से फॉलो करवा देते हैं तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? अ ग्रामर बुक. तो बुक किसकी है? ग्रामर की है. तो व्हाट इज ग्रामर डूइंग हियर? गिविंग अस मोर इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द book. So this becomes the adjective, and this is the noun. These are how adjectives are formed. I hope all of this is very much clear to you and you do not have any doubts regarding that. Keep reading so that you can understand all your doubts and clear them up as soon as possible. That was it for today's topic. Thank you.